What's up, guys?
Is it another picture?
No. It actually says recording. So, funny thing is, we took 2 pictures
For no reason?
for no reason, trying to get a YouTube video because I kept hitting the picture button. And Jonathan's over there talking, and my mind went blank. This is our new fort, now that I actually can show you it without, me taking a picture. That pole's there for support. That used to be a drawbridge door. Doesn't work. We got some damage. That's not a door. That's our door, but you know what?
Just the wall fell.
Yeah, the wall fell. Sorry, I went blank.
And if you don't know who I am, my name is Hunter.
Yeah, and we will be right back once we get out of this fort. So welcome back. We just actually just ran up the hill. So yeah, right here is a fort. You see the wall that fell down? This pole. I don't know what this is.
Why is that there?
I don't know. I'm trying to keep it pointed at you. Well, hang on. I gotta go. We'll be right back. I'm stuck since I'm holding you guys. So, we got the whole hill mode.
Huh?
We got the whole hill mode. Well, we needed. Here's an old fort.
Okay.
Oh no, run. Okay. Oh no. Never mind, run. We gotta run. Okay, never mind, he's good.
I'm faster than a 3rd grader.
Hands up. Hands up.
Want to see something that's better?
Empty your cash register. Tell me if I'm odd, guys, because... Oh, I got it.
You're
Oh,
dead
jeez.
now.
We gotta run. Gunslinging competition.
You're dead.
Bam! Bam! Okay, well, now we'll go inside. This is weird. So, inside. Well, we'll get back to you. We're inside. Oh, we got a new TV. And then here's our PS4. We got that Summit. We got water. We got Gizer. Hi, say hi. Okay, well, she's cute and fat. Bright. Go adjust to it. This is our room. I got new bracelets. Speed the light. It's our church thing. Hang on. And then there's the kitchen.
Which is really small.
We're not allowed to use it because the sink, the pipes
Broken?
underneath are broken. Yeah, unless they got it. I think they got it replaced. Never mind. And
PS4.
yeah, I already showed them that. This controller is what we call the good controller because, not because of the design, but the design's cool. But this one, when you hit, L2, your person moves when you aim or when you do something like that. And we got our Vulcan EBF-25. Then we got our I forgot what this is called. We got the Franza. We got the Raptor Strike. Over here, it's a nice little cheap setup. It's cringy. With the,
I have the
this
same
TV
Lego set as
and
this.
stuff.
As that.
This?
Yep.
Yeah, it's mine. And I got a little Master Wu, Dr. Wu. Can't focus on him, sorry. We got, no, this is not real. This is, JT's. Though, not everything here, and then we got our Recon Mark II. Yeah, I showed him the Raptor Strike, the Vulcan, and the Brain Saw, and the Mark II, Recon Mark II.
Did you show him our miniguns?
Yeah, I showed him one. That's the Vulcan.
Yeah.
It's making a little mouth thing. It's weird. So, I didn't think he'd be in this video.
Not good.
This one specifically. But
I really didn't want to. Now, Jocelyn,
he would have been in it. He would have been in it way better. Like last 2 videos. If I was actually smart enough not to hit the picture button instead of the record button.
And,
But I will be streaming almost all day playing random games.
and if Hunter hasn't mentioned, check out mine and his
Yeah.
Jenny Dale and
I mentioned that the second time I took a picture.
ask Daddy if he can stop by your house. We already went by there. And by the way, we aren't going to Daddy's. I know. Oh yeah, that's what I'm
But this might end this video.
Bye! Have a good time!
No, we're not gonna end it. Never mind. We want to at least get to 10 minutes. We're at 6. We're at 6 minutes, so he'll be here in at least 4. So, where are you going? Aw, he's gone. Well, we're still here, so adjusting. That's rude. So, what do you want to do while we're still here?
Talk about our Assassin's Creed.
Yeah.
It's not Assassin's Creed, this is Black Ops 4.
Yeah,
We
this
can talk about that too.
Did you get that downloaded finally?
Yes.
Okay. Arc.
Just Unity and here we go.
You left Black Flag last time.
I know, I meant to. No, I didn't mean to.
So we got
Oh, got it. Why is that? Whatever.
Syndicate.
Assassin's Creed Syndicate, which is, if you haven't played this before.
Wait, is this the U? This is Uplay.
Yeah.
It's the Uplay thing. I wonder.
Yeah, don't show them the rest of them yet.
No. Okay. Well.
So Syndicate is, if you haven't played it or heard of it before, you have 2 different characters that you can switch out in between. There is
Kind of like Grand Theft Auto. Oh, sure.
That's
Piece of gum.
I was like, that's messed up. You didn't bring me one. Evie and Jacob. Now
I'm not gonna show you this.
Yeah, you have to go through 3 main missions to actually get to free play on it. But it's a very good game.
It's worth the 3 missions.
I recommend it if you live in Eugene, near a place called Video Game Headquarters and Great Clips and all that. It was only $7 there. And let's move on to Black Flag, which I also got. These I got on the same day.
I can name.
Video Game Headquarters.
I want to show them.
Let's not name them so far.
Yep.
Yeah, whatever. But this one was only $10, so together they're only $17.
Edward Kenway.
Yeah. But and this is the game. This is the next gen game of the year for 2013. And no, not Video Game Yeah, it was Video Game Headquarters. I got it at. And it's a single player, and it's 20 gigabytes minimum, and it has online features. This Syndicate is 50 gigabytes minimum.
I'm gonna name all the people in the back now. This guy's just a random pirate. Thatch, Blackbeard. I forgot his name, but I know he's an assassin. That's the person you play as, Edward Kenway. He's a pirate
and an assassin.
That That's just straight up a pirate. That is Roger.
So,
British Empire. You, I think. Play open world.
I'm gonna start. You know.
Multiplayer.
All right, so I'm gonna start talking about the very first missions that you do. So you're gonna be on a ship, and you're gonna destroy some other ships, like a big old ship. There's several ships.
A frigate.
And you're
And then gunboats.
and you're gonna be taking the wheel. No, it's fine.
Oh.
This is what we're talking about right now. So, this game, you can. So,
Hang on, they're adjusting.
alright. So, in this game right here,
Hang on.
the very first mission, you're gonna be